You may not be living the house of your choice. Hold on the picture of your dream house and focus on it. If you are not having the life of your choice, then hold on the picture of a great life that you want. Just focus on it. Anything that has ever been done was first created in anyone's mind by their imagination. So create your brilliant future in your mind through your imagination and focus on your dream. You know, the power of decision making is the greatest gift you have in your life. It gives you the freedom of choice. You are the product of your choice, as it is not your decision to choose where you are going to born, but it is your choice to live a life of significance. Change is the name of a door which only opens from inside. No one can force you to change, not your parents, not your teacher. You have to decide. You have to change yourself. You need strong dream and will for that. If you are not getting your results, again, just change your attitude. Don't blame the society or your country or anyone else for your present situation. You have to understand that your life is a reflection of your attitude. What is attitude? The energy leaving us from our body is called attitude. So you can control your thought and can alter your vibration or energy. Thus, you can control your attitude. So it doesn't matter what is your current situation. Now, if you can decide today, you can change your attitude now and can change your present situation. You know the difference between a successful man and one average individual is that the successful man develops some habits that an average person doesn't like. Let me give you one secret information that the successful person also do not like to do that on a regular basis, but they develop the habit as they are ready to change themselves for a better future. You know, when US President John F. Kennedy asked Dr. Wernher von Braun about building a spaceship which can carry a man to the moon and bring him back safely to the earth, Dr. Braun replied in few words, the will to do it. Such a powerful answer, and you can understand how powerful this word will is. As I mentioned in my previous videos, that will is one of our greatest powerful faculty which can create a great future or can destroy the same. The good news is that we can develop our will power to receive abundance of prosperity in our life starting from today. One thing I found is that the person with a better attitude always goes to the top, and a lot of ordinary students are having extraordinary life because of one thing called attitude. Your degree will give you the option to qualify for a job interview, but it's your attitude that will provide you the job or even raise in your salary. So if you want to increase your income, want to have a better health, want to have a bright career, want to be a successful businessman, then develop your attitude. You can do wonder. Don't let your present situation bothers you. Speak with me. I am a champion. I can do this. No one can stop me from accomplishing all my goals. I am not going to let others steal my dreams. I am born to win. I create my own future. I am a winner. Be a consistent player of the game called life. If you are a student appearing for board exam, then make your everyday countable to have a very successful career ahead. You know, success is a planned event. It never happens by chance. If you make a proper plan and act accordingly, then you can measure your success. Imagination is one of the most powerful tools for success. With our imagination, we can create a great future or we can destroy our future. Let's develop our imagination and live a healthy and a happy life. You know, the average individual, they use this imagination against themselves. They think of something what they don't want. It is one of the greatest creative mental faculty we have. We can build anything through our imagination. If we just look at our home, the furniture we use, the mobile phone we have, the dress we wear, the interior we are having, everything was once created by someone's mind, by their imagination. Few things you should know to become wealthy or to become successful. If you think you are already successful, already feel wealthy, you need more. All you have to know that where you are right now, where you want to go, and you should keep moving towards your goal. A lot of people in their early 20s follow the first two steps only, but they neglect the third step, as if you don't put proper action powered by right emotion, it is very hard to reach to your destination. If you don't change your thought, if you don't change your emotion, you will stay where you are right now. If I am not willing to change my thought or emotion but want to change my present situation, that's the main problem. Most people suffer so much in life. Even I suffered so much in my early life. So I want that you should be on the right track and tuning to the right emotion. You know, most people even suffer when they feel they are successful. If you have money and you are not happy, if you have home that you bought and still you don't want to live there, this is ultimate failure of life. So don't build your career, build yourself as well. So in every negative situation in life, you can find a positive way out from there. See, sometimes negative feeling is not a bad thing either. Negative feeling is sometimes an indicator that we need to change. Remember, being in a negative state, feeling depressed are the part of our life. But suffering is a matter of choice. So never develop the muscle called suffering with the help of pain, negativity, depression. Then you won't be able to taste the freedom that this life offers to you. So when you are tuned in to your goals with proper emotion, you can be in harmony with the universe and attract the future you want, attract the life you want to live, and live the life of your choice. Hi, myself Sujoy Chaudhary. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe here and turn on the notification. If you turn on the notification, then whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thank you. Cheers.